Make fresh juice.
Let's make some fresh juice.
Fresh juice ingredients. Prepare the following ingredients. 1. A half glass of water. 2. Some ice. 3. One kind of fruit. Cooking tools. Prepare the following tools. 1. A chopping board, a knife. 2. A mixer grinder or a blender. 3. A strainer. 4. A glass. A glass of orange juice. Let's make a glass of orange juice.
Step 1. Take 2 oranges. Put them on the chopping board. Use the knife to cut the oranges into 2 halves.
Cut the oranges into 2 halves.
Step 2. Peel the skin. Remove and discard the seeds.
Peel the skin. Remove and discard the seeds.
Step 3. Separate the orange segments one by one.
Separate the orange segments.
Step 4. Put the orange segments into a mixer grinder or a blender.
Put them into a mixer grinder or a blender.
Step 5. Then add around half glass of water or some ice into the mixer grinder or the blender.
Add around a half cup of water or ice.
Step 6. Blend them all for about 2 to 3 minutes until it is smooth.
Blend until smooth.
Step 7. Next, strain the orange juice using a strainer.
Strain the orange juice using a strainer.
Step 8. Finally, serve the orange juice in a glass.
Serve the orange juice immediately. You can use similar methods to make different kinds of fresh juice. Let's see some of the examples. A glass of lemonade. Watermelon juice. Apple juice. Pineapple juice. Celery juice. Cherry juice. Sea buckthorn juice. Banana juice. Blueberry juice. Pear juice. Kiwi juice. Currant juice. Strawberry juice. Raspberry juice. Carrot juice. Please subscribe our channel, like and share. Goodbye. See you.